Hi, I'm a data journalist and I like to break down charts. Today we're going to break down this chart from The Economist. It records the amount of time mom and dad spend with their kids. I think we know where this is going to go. They have the two charts side by side. This chart is interesting because it's comparing the time difference. Data found that mothers just in all cases spent more time with their kids than the fathers. This chart is interesting because it doesn't necessarily start at the zero axis, but I think if you started the axis at zero, you would get a better understanding of just how much more time moms spent with their kids. To be fair, they did show the raw numbers, and I do like this a little more. It shows all of the generations and how much time they spent altogether. It does seem like there has been a huge downward slope. A lot of it corresponds to 2020, where all of us were locked in, to be fair. If we're just talking about mothers and fathers in general, then I think we can show this data which looks at the age of parents and how much time they spent with their kids. Here you can still see like overwhelmingly young mothers spend more time with their kids than older mothers who might be part of like the silent generation. But I do agree it doesn't necessarily show the ratio of time spent for mothers and fathers as well as the first chart. If we wanted to, we can break down this one big chart into generations, which is kind of doing what the original chart was meant to do. Overall, I think it's a pretty good graph, I'm not gonna lie.